How to hide all Facebook photos. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide all Facebook photos. So let's begin. The very first option is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook, go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. So for Android users, you may click menu on the upper right of your screen and then go to Settings, click on Settings, wait for it to load, and then scroll down and look for Audience and Visibility. So under Audience and Visibility, you may be able to see Profile and Tagging. So click on Profile and Tagging, and then under Tagging, you may be able to see who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. So click on it, wait for it to load, click on More right here, and then click on Only Me. So once you click on Only Me, all of the photos that you are tagged in will be hidden from your profile, and you may be able to see that picture. And then, I mean, those pictures. And then also, under when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? So what you're going to do is to also press on that option and choose Only Me right here. So press back and then that's it. That's how you can hide all Facebook photos. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.